Hello everyone, today I'm gonna tell you about this beautiful website Statname and how to use it correctly. I'm gonna give you a couple of advices to get the most out of it. First of all, Statname is a big database of statistics on different players. Well, basically on all the players in cash games. Well, let me just show you how it works. So let's take a look at a player. I'll just look for a guy I am playing against pretty much all the time. So here in the top left we have the basic information on the guy, the room he plays, his nickname, his VPIP, PFR, 3-bet stats, his win rate, number of hands, his favorite stake, and the total amount that he won. Well, right now we see his stats for the past 12 months. But we can change it to like 6 months or 3 months or for a certain period of time. You can just set the dates here yourself. On the right we have this player's graph. We can get rid of it anytime we want, but I prefer to leave it as it is. And here we have some detailed stats of the player of interest. Note that we have a few tabs here. It is very important because here, for example, we have only his stats for heads-up play. Then this tab is for short-handed tables only. Next we have full ring tables, and finally short-handed tables and full ring tables combined. On the right we hear different game types. PLO, he never plays PLO, so we have no stats here. Then we have no limit Holdem, and his total stats, PLO and no limit combined. And since I play both short-handed and full ring tables in no limit cash, I always select these two tabs. Okay, next on the left we have also different tabs. First tab is base. Well, those are your overall basic stats. Then we have PFR, stats for spots where the player was the pre-flop aggressor. CC stands for cold call, so those are the stats for the times when he was the cold caller. 3-bet stats for 3-bet pots. Next we have post-flop stats, well, basically c-bet stats, and versus c-bet stats, so when player faces a c-bet. How he defends against a c-bet. Okay, if we have a very small sample for a certain stat, for a certain spot, we see this little number next to the stat. Like here, 8. Well, 8 means that we only have 8 samples of this stat. So only 8 examples of when this situation happened. So basically the number is not that accurate. And when the sample size is over 30, we don't have any small digits next to the stat. So yeah, to put it in a simple way, when you see this small number next to the stat, it means that the stat is not that accurate. Okay, next we have summary. Here we can check out what our hero likes to play. Short-handed tables, full ring tables, heads up. And we see some basic stats for different types of games, like number of hands, total winnings, win rate, VPIP, and PFR. Same for full ring tables and heads up tables. And this is a very important part, the stakes that he played for the last 12 months. So he played 30, 50, 100 and 200, but mostly 200 and 100. And here are his results by month. Okay, next we have two themes, dark and light. I personally prefer the light one, but you choose whatever you like most. And you can also switch languages. We have 2 available for you. Those are Russian and English. There is also an option that allows you to copy the player's nickname right in the game. Like you could just click on his nickname at the table and that's it. For our example today, I typed the nickname of the player of interest myself manually, but it's not a very good idea when you are in the middle of the session. So you just have to set up some additional software. And to know how to do that exactly, you should go to the frequency asked questions section. We open those 2 pages, and here we have everything we need to know in detail. It's not that hard, and then you will be able to copy nicknames with just one click. What else is useful here? You can go to this top players section. You just click right here, and then you can take a look at the best crushers of different stakes and different sites. Okay, here we have the most successful players in terms of winnings from all the rooms combined, but you can easily filter for the rooms you want to see. So we choose a room, we choose a game type, the range of stakes, let's say from NL50 to NL200, and then we click search. Oh, and we also can filter for a time period, but for now we have the all time data, and this is what we get. Those are the top crushers on 888 Poker from NL50 to NL200. Uskibasi is number 1, and on the second place the guy we were just going over. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.